She walked into the room and everything stopped. Her skin, radiant, flawless, like glass. I had to ask, what do you use? She smiled and whispered one word, aloe. Forget $200 creams or 10-step routines. What if I told you the secret to Korean glass skin could be found in a single plant? That humble aloe vera sitting on your windowsill? It's more powerful than you think. In this video, I'm revealing 5 aloe vera methods that Korean beauty insiders swear by, but almost no one is talking about. And method number 5? It's so effective some celebrities have begged their estheticians to keep it private. These are not just skincare tips, they're transformation rituals. Stick around because by the end of this video you'll know exactly how to unlock your skin's natural, poreless glow without spending a dime on expensive products. Ready to glow like glass? Let's dive in. Welcome to Infinite Infotainment, where we uncover the most powerful secrets nature has to offer for beauty, wellness, and beyond. Today, we're diving into something that's taken the skincare world by storm: Korean glass skin. That dewy, translucent, almost mirror-like glow that looks unreal but isn't. And here's the shocking truth: achieving that flawless glow doesn't require a shelf full of expensive serums or a complicated 12-step routine. In fact, everything you need could already be in your kitchen or garden. I'm talking about aloe vera. Yes, that simple, cooling plant we often overlook. Koreans have been harnessing its power for centuries, but today, I'm going to show you 5 incredibly effective aloe vera methods that can transform your skin naturally. These aren't your average DIY tips. They're carefully curated techniques inspired by K-beauty rituals with a twist. And trust me, method number 5, it's a total game changer. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because we bring you beauty secrets that not only work, but change lives. Are you ready to take your skincare routine to the next level and glow like never before? Let's begin. Aloe vera, humble, green, and often forgotten in the corner of your windowsill, holds one of the most powerful secrets in natural skincare. While it's often seen as just a sunburn remedy, what most people don't realize is that aloe vera is a K-beauty staple for a reason. Packed with over 75 active compounds including vitamins A, C, and E, enzymes, amino acids, and antioxidants, aloe vera is like a natural serum straight from the earth. It penetrates the skin 4 times faster than water, making it incredibly effective for deep hydration, reducing inflammation, and boosting collagen production. It calms redness, fades dark spots, shrinks pores, and gives your skin that subtle, dewy bounce that defines glass skin. It even contains naturally occurring salicylic acid, making it perfect for acne-prone skin. But here's the twist: not all aloe vera methods are created equal. There are specific combinations and techniques that unlock its true power. Methods that many skincare enthusiasts have never tried until now. In the next few minutes, I'll reveal 5 transformational ways to use aloe vera that could change your skin forever. And yes, the last one, it's a secret. Let's get started. Method number 1. Let's begin with one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to transform your skin while you sleep: the aloe vera overnight mask. This method allows your skin to soak in healing nutrients all night long, repairing damage, calming irritation, and delivering deep hydration that leaves your face glowing by morning. To start, you'll need 2 tablespoons of pure aloe vera gel. If you're using store-bought gel, make sure it's free from alcohol and artificial colors. Next, add about a teaspoon of rose water to the aloe. This not only thins out the gel for easier application but also adds a natural toning effect to the skin. For an added boost of glow, you can mix in a single drop of vitamin E oil, though this step is optional. Make sure your face is thoroughly cleansed before applying. Using your fingertips, gently spread a thin, even layer of the mixture all over your face, being careful to avoid your eyes and lips. Allow it to settle and dry for 5 to 10 minutes before heading to bed. The mask will form a light, breathable layer on your skin, working overnight to hydrate and heal. In the morning, rinse your face with lukewarm water and pat dry with a soft towel. You'll immediately notice a smoother, more supple texture. With consistent use 2 to 3 times a week, this overnight mask can lead to a significant transformation, leaving your skin dewy, balanced, and well on its way to achieving the coveted glass skin look. Method number 2, the 10-minute glow-up gel. This next method is perfect for those days when your skin looks tired, dull, or irritated. It's called the 10-minute glow-up gel, and it's a fast-acting treatment that clears, tightens, and brightens your face, almost instantly. Think of it as a mini spa session before heading out or winding down. To begin, take 2 tablespoons of pure aloe vera gel and place it in a small mixing bowl. Then, add a few drops of rice water, which is rich in minerals and helps to tighten and tone the skin. Finally, mix in just 1 drop of tea tree oil. This powerful essential oil is known for its antibacterial properties and works wonders on acne-prone or inflamed skin. Be cautious not to add more than 1 drop, especially if you have sensitive skin. After mixing thoroughly, apply a thin layer to your freshly cleansed face. Gently massage it in circular motions for about a minute to stimulate blood flow. Then, leave the mixture on your skin for 10 full minutes. During this time, the aloe soothes and hydrates. The tea tree oil combats bacteria, and the rice water gives your skin a noticeable lift. After 10 minutes, rinse with cool water and pat your face dry. The result is an immediate brightness, reduced redness, and skin that feels smooth and refreshed. Use this method 2 to 3 times a week for best results, especially before special occasions when you want your skin to truly shine. Method number 3, aloe vera ice cubes for pore shrinking. If you're dealing with large pores, puffiness, or a tired complexion, this next method might become your favorite. It's simple, refreshing, and incredibly effective. Aloe vera ice cubes. This Korean-inspired skincare trick uses cold therapy combined with the healing power of aloe to instantly tighten skin, reduce inflammation, and boost circulation. To prepare, start by blending fresh aloe vera gel with a small amount of brewed green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and adds extra calming benefits for irritated or acne-prone skin. Once the mixture is smooth, pour it into an ice cube tray and freeze for several hours, preferably overnight. In the morning, take 1 aloe cube and gently rub it over your freshly cleansed face. Move in slow, circular motions, focusing on areas with enlarged pores, puffiness, or redness. You'll feel an instant cooling effect as the cube glides across your skin, helping to constrict blood vessels, tighten pores, and reduce any morning swelling. Let the liquid sit on your skin for a few minutes before patting it dry. You can follow up with a light moisturizer or SPF if heading out. This method can be used every other day, especially in the mornings, and is perfect before applying makeup, as it creates a smoother base and a firmer, more toned appearance. Over time, with consistent use, you'll notice visibly smaller pores and a naturally radiant, refreshed complexion. Method number 4, aloe vera and honey hydration sheet mask. Sometimes your skin just craves deep, luxurious hydration, the kind that sinks in and stays with you. That's where the aloe vera and honey hydration sheet mask comes in. This method is ideal for dry, flaky, or stressed out skin, and it mimics the effects of high-end Korean sheet masks using only natural ingredients. Begin by extracting 2 tablespoons of pure aloe vera gel. Add 1 tablespoon of raw honey and mix until smooth. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture into the skin and locks it in. It also has powerful antibacterial properties that work beautifully with aloe to calm irritation and promote healing. To turn this into a sheet mask, soak thin sheets of rice paper, or cotton pads if rice paper isn't available, in the mixture until they're fully saturated. Gently apply them to your clean face, covering as much surface area as possible. Lie back and relax for 15 to 20 minutes as your skin drinks in the nourishing blend. You may feel a gentle tingling, that's the natural enzymes at work. Once time is up, peel off the sheets and gently rinse your face with lukewarm water. Immediately, your skin will feel softer, plumper, and visibly more hydrated. With regular use 2 to 3 times a week, this treatment helps repair the skin barrier, reduce flakiness, and leave your face with that dewy Korean glass skin glow that looks healthy, fresh, and luminous. Method number 5, the brightening peel method. This final method is the most powerful of them all, and also the most misunderstood. Often kept quiet in skincare circles, the brightening peel method combines aloe vera with a few potent ingredients to target dark spots, dullness, and uneven skin tone. Used correctly, it can completely transform your complexion over time. Start with 2 tablespoons of pure aloe vera gel in a small bowl. Add a pinch of organic turmeric powder, not more than a 1/4 teaspoon. Then, squeeze in just a few drops of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory and brightening properties, while lemon juice contains natural alpha-hydroxy acids that gently exfoliate dead skin and lighten pigmentation. Mix the ingredients well until you get a golden yellow gel. On clean, dry skin, apply a thin layer to areas of concern, usually the cheeks, forehead, or any spots with discoloration. Let it sit for no more than 10 minutes. It's important not to exceed this time, especially if you have sensitive skin. After 10 minutes, rinse off thoroughly with cool water and follow up with a soothing moisturizer. Avoid sunlight immediately after use, as the lemon may increase sensitivity, so it's best to do this at night. Use this method just once or twice a week. Over time, you'll begin to see a noticeable improvement in skin clarity, tone, and brightness. Almost like a natural filter, but real. To get the most out of aloe vera on your journey to achieving glass skin, a few key habits can make all the difference. Start by using only high-quality aloe vera, fresh from the plant or pure organic gel with no added chemicals. This ensures your skin receives all the healing benefits without irritation. Hydration is essential. Drinking enough water throughout the day works hand in hand with aloe's natural moisturizing effects, keeping your skin soft and supple from the inside out. Also nourish your body with a balanced diet rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. What you eat shows up on your skin. Don't forget to protect your progress. Always apply sunscreen. UV exposure can undo the brightening and healing effects of aloe. Lastly, listen to your skin. Adjust your routine as needed, rotating different aloe methods based on how your skin feels. With consistency and care, glass skin is within reach. While aloe vera is gentle and effective, using it the wrong way can slow down your results, or even irritate your skin. One common mistake is applying aloe to a dirty face. Always cleanse your skin first, so the aloe can penetrate deeply and work its magic. Another mistake is overusing it. More isn't always better. Using aloe every single day, especially in peel or mask form, can strip your skin's natural balance. Stick to 2 to 3 times a week for most methods. Be cautious with store-bought aloe gels that contain alcohol, artificial colors, or fragrances. These can cause dryness and irritation, undoing the natural benefits of the plant. Lastly, skipping sunscreen is a big one. Some aloe combinations, especially those with lemon or turmeric, can make your skin more sensitive to sunlight. Always follow up with SPF to protect your glow and ensure long-lasting results. To take your results even further, try these bonus tips. Start your mornings with a glass of aloe-infused water to hydrate your body from within and support skin health throughout the day. You can also use a small amount of aloe vera gel as a makeup primer. Its natural smoothing effect creates a flawless, hydrated base. On days when your skin feels irritated or sun-exposed, store your aloe gel in the fridge and apply it cold for instant relief and a refreshing glow. And finally, consistency is everything. While results may not be overnight, sticking with these methods regularly will reveal noticeable, lasting improvements. Think of aloe not just as a product, but a long-term partner in your skincare journey. Now you've seen just how powerful aloe vera can be in your journey to achieving Korean glass skin. From the overnight mask that works while you sleep, to the brightening peel that targets dark spots, these 5 methods are natural, effective, and easy to start today. When used consistently, and paired with the right habits, like sun protection, hydration, and a balanced diet, you're not just improving your skin, you're transforming it. So which method are you most excited to try first? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear about your results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs a skincare glow up, and hit that subscribe button for more beauty secrets that actually work. Your journey to radiant, healthy skin starts now, and aloe vera might just be your new best friend.